Hey guys, and welcome back to the second part of making a day and night cycle in Unreal. In the previous video, we talked about how we can make this setting. I'm using a directional light connected to our SkySphere blueprint, and using an event tick node and a condition, we are able to start and stop the rotation of the sun as we want. In this video, I'll show you another way to control the sun. This time we want to move the sun between two specific positions, and we don't want to have a free movement for the sun in the sky. For example, if you're making an ArcViz scene and you want to have two specific sun positions for your lighting and be able to switch between them by pressing a key on the keyboard, we need to make a different setup, which I'll discuss in this video. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. Here in the level blueprints, let's disconnect the event tick and then define a key to use as our event. Type keyboard, select the key, and then here let's set it on Q. Again, we want to use our directional light reference, and this time at the set actor rotation. For the rotation around the y-axis, let's put in -270, and then we want to update the sun direction for the SkySphere to sync it with our directional light. Now when I play the game and hit Q, the sun goes under the level and replicates the night lighting for our scene. Its start position is here, which is -45, and then after we press the key, it goes to -270, which is exactly under our arena. Now what we want to do is to make the movement smooth and also be able to set the sun back to its default position by pressing Q again. Here in the event graph, let's add a timeline after the key event. What this does is that it outputs a value on every frame, and this way we can control the speed of our rotation and make it smooth. Double click to open it up, and here let's make a float track. Hold shift and click to add a point in the timeline, and then do it again and add another one at the end of the line. It doesn't matter where you add the points, because here we have the opportunity to put it exactly wherever we want using these two values here. Here you can define the length of the timeline, which defines the time that we want to spend moving from the first point to the second point. I'm gonna go with 5, and now let's set the values for our points. The time for the start point should be on 0, and then the value should be on -45. This is the rotation of the directional light that we want to start from, and then we want to go to -270 after 5 seconds. So for the second point, we want to put it on 5 and -270, and now we are ready to go. Hit these two icons here to frame them, and you can also select them both and set them on auto to make this curve and make the rotation smoother as a result. Alright, now let's go back to the event graph and use the timeline we just made. We want to use the float track as the rotation value for the function, but since they have different formats, it doesn't let us connect it to the pin. Here we need a make rotator, and now as you can see, we are able to connect it to the function. We also want to make the rotation around the y-axis, so hold Ctrl and connect the wire to the pitch input instead of the roll. We also want to be able to reverse the rotation by hitting Q again. So here add a flip-flop and then connect the B output to the reverse input. Now you can see that when I hit Q on the keyboard, our sun goes under the level and makes a night scene. When I hit it again, it comes back to its first position. If you want to put it in a different position, you can just go back to the timeline and give it another rotation value. For example, let's put it on -165, and now you can see that it will stop somewhere around the horizon and give us a very beautiful evening look. If you want to change the speed of the rotation, you can just go back to the timeline and play with the length to achieve exactly what you're looking for. For example, let's put it on 20 and then set the second point as well, and now you can see that it's moving much slower than before. Yeah, that's it guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.